First Belgian round of the World Rally Championship is in the history books. The second tarmac event of the season, Ypres Rally Belgium, delivered everything it promised it would. Narrow and twisty asphalt roads lined by drainage ditches and telegraph poles. Big cuts in corners, mud and debris on the road, making conditions super tricky. Add to all of that, only a few crews had experience of the event, leaving them with a significant advantage over the weekend's 20 stages. Adrian Formeau was once again back in the seat of a WRC Fiesta. With only 2 stages completed, the drama arrived on stage 3. Caught out on this high-speed left-hander, pitching the M Sport Ford Fiesta into an aggressive barrel roll. Whilst both crew members escaped unscathed, the same could not be said for the car, and their Ypres debut came to an abrupt end. His teammate Gus Greensmith met a similar, although not quite as violent fate, dropping into a ditch just 200 metres into stage 4 and staying there. A dark Friday the 13th for Team M Sport, as Teemu Sunnen lost his lead in the WRC 2 on the same day. Sunday's action saw the crews head to the Ardennes forest near the border of Germany to the infamous Spa-Francorchamps racetrack. The circuit was built in 1921 and has played host to some legendary Formula One races and remains a firm favourite amongst drivers and fans. This weekend, the WRC drivers got to experience the famous Eau Rouge and Radillon left-right-left sequence before peeling off onto the new rallycross track. It was the perfect backdrop to play host to the world's best rally drivers. Takamoto Katsuta teamed up with Keaton Williams as his co-driver for the weekend as a replacement for Dan Barrett. But the rally turned into a bumpy ride for the pair. On stage 10, undulations in the road through this high-speed section near the start of the stage pitched the Yaris offline and sent it pirouetting through the air and into an electricity pole before a violent landing. Fortunately, the crew were okay, but the clean-up effort resulted in a red flag and caused a delay. While Thierry Neuville, Craig Breen and their Hyundais were in a class of their own, a battle was raging for the final podium position, and in this case it was an internal fight at Toyota. Sébastien Ogier, not taking any unnecessary risks in his race for the overall title, could not benefit from his road position advantage. Out of the 3, Elvin Evans had the best start of the rally, but with only 3 stages to run on Sunday, Kalle Rovanperä got the hammer down and snatched 3rd place from Evans and did not let go, the Toyotas taking 3rd, 4th and 5th respectively. Fittingly though, after a difficult year, Thierry Neuville clinched his first victory of 2021 on home soil. He led for almost the entire event, fending off a fierce first-day challenge from teammate Craig Breen, the Hyundai i20 duo eventually settling for a formation finish. Neuville, Breen and Oyt Tanak won 15 of the 20 stages, outlining the pace of Hyundai Motorsport in Belgium. Neuville's final winning margin, 30.7 seconds, and marked a first WRC win for his new co-driver, Martin Vidaga. The success has brought him right back into the championship fight. He is now joint second with Elvin Evans, both just behind Sébastien Ogier.